Welcome to our basic punch needle series. Today we will be showing you how to thread the punch needle tool. Here we have the punch needle tool that comes in the kit and the threading tool that also comes in the kit. First, we're going to use the threading tool and pinching it slightly to insert it into the bottom end of the needle tube. Once you insert it all the way through, you're going to take the end of the yarn and insert it through the loop and pull it all the way through. You can adjust the length of the beginning yarn by pulling on the connected yarn at the end. Then you're going to take the threading tool again and insert it from outside inwards through the small opening at the tip of the needle tube, and take the beginning yarn and insert it through the loop and then pull. Again, using the same method, you can adjust the length of the beginning yarn, and now you're ready to start your punch needle project. Thank you for watching!